guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. How's everybody? Kumusta na kayong lahat? So, sa mga nagtatanong, andito pa ako sa Cambodia. Ayan guys, so dito muna ako for a while para at least mag-relax, mag-enjoy after all those struggles from Hong Kong. And so far ngayon, medyo okay naman na yung pakiramdam, but I still need to do the radiotherapy. Ayan, tapos may gamot pa din ako na kailangang i-take for how many years. Yes, that's it. So, thanks God. God is good all the time. And siguro nagtataka kayo kasi about my makeup. Actually, kagagaling namin sa salon ng friend ng pamangkin ko kasi nga siya yung nag-makeup sa akin. Actually, he's a gay, he's Cambodian gay, and ayan, minake-upan niya ako for some important reason kung bakit ako na make-upan ng ganito. Abangan na lang sa susunod na kabanata kung bakit. Ayan guys, so yan, so first time na mag-makeup ng ganito. But it's nice, I love it. I like it talaga. Maganda siya. Ayan guys, so abangan na lang kung bakit, and then kasi there's a reason behind this makeup, beautiful makeup. Ayan guys, oo. So I hope everybody is fine. Ayan guys, and maganda dito sa Cambodia. Life is very, kumbaga simple lang ang buhay dito, pero about the people, about sa mga food and the places, maganda rin siya. It's just like, kumbaga sa atin, it's just like the weather is just like in Manila na mainit. Pero, I think, mas mainit pa sa sa Maynila. And then, yung lugar, I mean, the place, the city is just like Trinidad. Yes, it's just like Baguio in Trinidad. Pero maganda siya. I love it. I love this country. Ayan guys. So, yung mga nagtatanong kung kailan ako uuwi, hindi ko pa sure kung kailan. Surprise na lang. Yes, it's a surprise na lang. Ayan guys. So, yun lang guys ang update for now. And thanks everyone sa support as always. Yan guys. So, keep going. Life is beautiful. Life is good. Enjoy life. And always thanks God for everything. Sa mga blessing and everything. Yan guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks for everything. God bless, and see you later, or see you on the next video, on the next vlog. Bye guys.